Good afternoon, students. Yesterday I have taught you how to solve the exercises of lesson number 4 plant products, and the same exercise I am revising you again. Whatever I am teaching you now, you have to write it in the reader only. Don't copy to notebook. Okay, shall we start? Okay, first one, fill in the blanks using the correct words. We eat the dash of spinach. So we are eating the leaves of spinach. You have to copy the word here. Then you read, we eat the leaves of spinach. Next, dash is a vegetable that can be eaten raw. So here cucumber is a vegetable that can be eaten raw. Here potato we have to cook and eat. Orange is a dash that we eat. Orange is a fruit that we eat. We get oil from coconut. Coffee is made from seeds. Okay, next we will move to true or false. State whether the following statements are true, then you have to write T. If it is false, you have to write F. Here statement means sentences. Okay, carrot is a stem. False, it is a root. Wheat is a pulse. False, wheat is a cereal. Walnut is a dry fruit. It is true. We get oil from mustard seeds. Yes. We get tea from the seeds of the plant. No, we get from the leaves. Okay, next. Give 2 examples for each of the following vegetables. I have written here brinjal, tomato. You can, if you want to write some other vegetables, you can also write. Stems we eat, ginger, potato. Here also it is optional. You can change the examples. Roots we eat, carrot, beetroot. Pulses, green gram, Bengal gram. Leaves we eat, coriander, cabbage. Products made from plants. Okay, what products we will get from the plants? See, we get medicines from the plants, we get paper from the plants, we get gum from the plants. It is also optional. You can write anything. Next, name the following. A vegetable that we eat raw. Which one? Carrot we can eat. A flower that we eat. Banana flour or cabbage you can write. The cereal that is used to make chapati. Wheat. The plant from which sugar is obtained. From the sugarcane plant. Next, answer the following questions briefly. This also you write here only. Don't copy to the notes. What are the plant parts that we eat as vegetables? Okay, stems, roots, flowers, leaves and seeds we eat as vegetables. You can complete the sentence. Stems, roots, flowers, leaves and seeds we eat as vegetables. Complete the sentences. Name any 2 spices. Pepper and clove are spices. See, spices spelling is in the question only. Why are spices added to food? Spices are added to food for taste. Next, name any 2 seeds that we use to get oil. We can write coconut and groundnut seeds we use to get oil. Next, higher order thinking skill. It is short form, you have to say HOTS. Write the names of 3 vegetables and 3 fruits that are used in salads. So we have to write first 3 vegetables, then we have to write 3 fruits. You might be knowing how mummy prepares the salad. If you did not see, next time when mummy prepares salad, you have to look. Now you see, carrot we can put, onion we can put and cucumber. Okay, then here some fruits also we add. Lemon we will put for the sour things, and pomegranate also you can use. Pineapple also you can use for salad. Next here, circle the plant products. See here, chapatis are there, cabbage, and these seeds also we are getting from the plants. Circle. Next is life skills. Now already we have learned which part of the plant used for making the items. Okay, one has been done for you. Now tea, from where do we get tea? We get from the tea, leaves of tea plant. Next to sugar, it is a stem part. Okay, jam, we get it from the fruits. Coffee, we get it from the seeds. Next, who am I? All the answers are plant products in the given pictures. Okay, here you have to look at the pictures and you have to complete the sentence. I make tea and coffee sweet. Who makes here? Sugar. We have to add sugar to become this tea and coffee sweet. Sugar we need. I am a fruit. My skin is rough and I am so sour to taste. Here 2 strawberries are there. It is a fruit. I am added to food for taste. Chilies. Because here many chilies are there, we have to write CHILLIES, chilies. Strawberries, STRAWBERRIES. Okay, it is in plural. I am a favorite food for rabbits. Rabbit likes carrot. There is a flower in my name, but I am used as a vegetable. It is the cauliflower. Next, it is given fun activity. Choose the words from the box that rhyme with the words given below. One has been done for you. Rhyming words, you know, the same sound. Okay? Corn, root, wheat, grain, tree, peas. Now you see hoot. Which word will rhyme with this? Root. T sound is there. Hoot, root. Next. Seas, peas. Free, tree. Train, grain. Horn, corn. Meat, wheat. Next notebook, what you have to do is, see, I have given heading plant products, date you have to write. Draw or stick 5 fruits, name them and color it. See, draw or 5 fruits, color the picture, whatever drawing you are doing, and you have to below you have to name them. Then in next page, draw or stick 5 types of vegetables, name them, and same thing you have to color it. Okay, you can stick it here or you can draw it. Next you have to go to next page, 2 cereals. Okay, 2 cereals. You stick it here and you have to write the name. You can draw also. Then 2 pulses. Any 2 pulses pictures you stick it here and name them. Then 2 spices. So notebook only you stick the pictures. Okay, that much is enough. Now don't do in a hurry this sticking or drawing. Take your own time and submit the work on Saturday. Is it okay? Yeah, Saturday you can submit the work. Thank you, children.